This is gonna be absolutely amazing. So it's fresh beets. I literally dug them up 20 minutes ago. Fresh potatoes that I dug up. Peas that we just picked. I did put the pods in it for flavor. I will pull them out prior to serving. And then I did about 12 ounces of fresh, I shouldn't say fresh, canned mushroom stock off of some oyster mushrooms that I harvested, I don't know, about 2 months ago off of a cottonwood tree. And then I canned the mushroom broth. So anyways, I will add a little thickener, probably do a little cornstarch to thicken it to a gravy. I'll pull the pea pods out and then I will serve over top of some yummy jasmine rice. Should be, I mean, the flavor right now is phenomenal. Oh, and we did add just a little bit to flavor of Everglades seasoning. I wish you could try some. I mean, just the broth that this is in is phenomenal. I will show you when we put it all together. Okay, Elijah decided he wanted some chicken, so I cut some chicken very, very thin, added it. And we also added some fresh basil from our little windowsill herb garden. So, should be good. Just waiting for the broccoli to get done. We're steaming it just as a side dish. Okay, so as you can see, it's definitely thickened up quite a bit. I still would like it a little bit thicker. Probably do a little bit more cornstarch. But looking good. All right, man, I'm excited to try this. It's looking good. It tastes good. Love when you can just go out to your garden and just literally just pick anything and come up with, come up with a recipe from scratch. And I love it when it actually works. Turns out good. So we're gonna go ahead and sit down, say the blessing, and dig in. I'll show you. Alrighty, we've got the food. We got fresh broccoli out of the garden.
Look into our video and subscribe to our channel.
Exactly. As you can see, it just turned out absolutely gorgeous.
It smells delicious.
Subscribe to our channel.
Smells delicious, looks delicious. Fresh goat's milk. I shouldn't say fresh, but a day old goat's milk. Okay, let's go ahead and say prayer. Who's saying prayer to bless the food, boys?
Minker or me.
Okay, you can say the prayer. Thank you.
I do.
Okay.
Subscribe to our channel.
Exactly.
Before I go kart today, Mario and Minker go. Papa, hope we bless the weekends, always bless the food, and also may you guys, amen.
Amen. Beautiful prayer, boys.
I want to get out.
Okay, we are out.